This is a modification for a CDI unit on 50cc, 70cc, 90cc, 110, etc. Most 4-stroke models with the 5-pin connector. If you have this type of connector here, a 5-pin, you can change this CDI unit and replace it with a racing CDI unit like this one here. It's a plug and play. It connects into the existing loom on the bike where your CDI unit connects to. It's a more sturdy unit this here. It's built on a heat sink, and that's easy enough to fit. I'll be doing a video on how to fit it and showing how easy this is. These are available here. They're around approximately around £20 to buy, and they increase your RPM and help with starting. They make it easier starting. They work by adjusting the timing on your engine, and on these particular engines here you can't adjust the timing on them. They're fixed, and this here alters it slightly. So anybody that wants more information on it, just send me a message and I'll do a video on how to fit them.